Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Acer is one of the world's leading laptop manufacturing companies. Acer focuses on making laptop that is rich in performance. Acer also feels that the device should be durable to handle any task on it. The company wanted their laptop to be used for many years without having any problem. In the past, Acer has made many laptop models, and they performed at better levels for which they were made. The Aspire 3 is one of the latest laptops, and it's the most selling laptop in the market. Because it's affordable, and has the features that an average user demands. The Aspire 3 will allow you to work seamlessly, with its great power. At the same time, Aspire 3 offers a better design experience. The display gives you much better image and video quality. The full-size chiclet keyboard allows you to type easily. You get enough battery life to do your everyday tasks sufficiently. The Acer Aspire 3 is affordable and durable, but is it good value? Let's take a look at what you're getting for your money. Acer Aspire 3 A3-1523. Acer Aspire laptop series is an all-time high demanding. It has all the features and a classic design for regular users. Also, Aspire 3 performs some heavy load tasks very quickly. So it fits perfectly for students and people who do professional work. It comes at a low price, offers plenty of performance and features. The Aspire 3 is Acer's decent value-oriented laptop. Design. The laptop is made of plastic, which is less sturdy than aluminum. Its slim and stylish design give it a more impressive look than it deserves. The excellent build quality makes it more attractive while carrying it along with you. Also, the silver color of the laptop makes you feel more stylish and professional. The single hinge provides good torsion for the lid, minimizing wobble while using the laptop. The lid can be tilted to 180 degrees backward, so you have good flexibility to use this laptop. The Aspire 3 weighs around 4.1 pounds, which will be easier to carry with you. You can choose between 14-inch, 15-inch, and 17-inch screen sizes. Then there's AMD or Intel CPUs, with plenty of options. The Aspire 3 laptops are mainly seen in the lower to mid-range segment. They are suitable for studying, watching movies, using the internet, and even using Photoshop. The Aspire 3 can be an ideal pick for students and professionals. Display. The Aspire 3 comes with a 15.6-inch FHD display, with a 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution. The bezels of the screen are thin, and they even look nice. The thin bezels give it a more precise and impressive look. So you have a large screen when you work on the laptop or watch a movie. You can enjoy brighter and crisp visuals on the screen. The display comes with blue light shield technology. This technology allows you to work comfortably for a long time without straining your eyes. You can get a maximum brightness of 233 nits. Despite its anti-glare display, the colors look surprisingly vibrant. Its display covers 59% of the sRGB range, and 44% of the Adobe RGB range. The display will give you a much better viewing experience. However, viewing angles on this display are incredibly narrow. The Aspire 3 is not for creative tasks like photo or video editing. Performance. The AMD-powered Aspire 3 has a Ryzen 5 3500U quad-core processor. The max clock speed of 3.7 is quite effective in boosting the overall performance of this laptop. It is paired with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of super-fast SSD storage. Its 512 GB of SSD drive boosts your speed, and you can do all the work tasks easily. The 8 GB of RAM can help perform and execute your tasks smoothly. The Aspire 3 also features dedicated AMD Radeon RX Vega M graphics. The graphics of AMD will allow you to view your images and videos at a better quality. These graphics also respond well to online work and casual gaming. The Aspire 3 is good for more than just web browsing and streaming video. It can also handle multitasking while providing an immersive online experience. The Aspire 3 delivers much better performance than you would expect for a laptop at this price point. The device isn't designed for gaming, as you're relying on the Radeon Vega graphics. The RAM and SSD storage, both of which are upgradable. Keyboard. One of this budget laptop's highlights is the full-size chiclet keyboard. The keyboard stretches across the chassis, which means that each key is well-sized and spaced. There's even room for a proper numerical keypad on this keyboard. The chiclet keys are well-spaced and have soft tactile feedback. The key action is quiet and offers good travel for a responsive feel. The Aspire 3 has soft keys on the panel, which will allow you to type easily. The typing action is impressively firm, even towards the center of the keyboard. The black-colored keyboard, embossed with bright white letters on the keys. This will allow better visibility of the keys for comfortable typing. Touchpad. The touchpad is reasonably large, also supporting multiple finger gestures. The Precision touchpad is very responsive, and the two-finger scrolling was buttery smooth. The touchpad recognizes every single click, everywhere you want. Both the keyboard and touchpad of Aspire 3 works perfectly. Connectivity. Despite the low price, Acer has included a large number of ports. On the left, you get a power plug, Ethernet port, an HDMI port, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. You have a Kensington security port, LED indicator, a USB 2.0 port, and an audio jack on the right. It also offers a LAN port for a wired connection to the internet. The Aspire 3 lacks Thunderbolt 3 port and SD card reader. Battery. The battery backup is one of the greatest parts of this laptop. The laptop has a 36 watt-hours battery, which is relatively small in size. Acer claims the device can offer up to 9 hours of battery on regular usage. When your laptop demands higher performance, it might give you lesser battery time. The battery will last long enough to get you through a day's work. Speakers. The Aspire 3 is equipped with 2 built-in stereo speakers. The sound blasted through dual speakers will give you a decent output, more than expected. The speakers houses on the bottom of the laptop, so audio may end up silenced, either by your desk or your lap. You'll want to hook up separate speakers or headphones for listening to music. Webcam. The Aspire 3 offers a 640 by 480 pixel resolution webcam on the top lid. This webcam delivers grainy images and videos. The Aspire 3 does a decent job in benchmarks for a budget laptop. Operating system. The Aspire 3 comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The users love the Aspire 3 notebook, because they deliver excellent performance at a fair price. The A31523 model we're showing you, and most customer feedback is positive. The build quality is good, with a decent keyboard, and a nice range of ports. It gives you extreme power and performance, with a great screen experience every time. The Aspire 3 is meant for the regular user, who wants it to use daily, and performs lightweight tasks. This will be the greatest choice, for people like students, and working professionals. Also those who do not have heavy loaded tasks on their desks to perform. You will notice it is nice and fast, for navigating the web, and for streaming movies. The Aspire 3 isn't the best laptop for heavy multimedia usage. The Radeon Vega graphics will prevent you from playing the most common games in high definition. We strongly recommend Aspire 3 to you, if you're looking for an inexpensive laptop, for simple tasks. The Acer Aspire 3's base price starts at $650, approximately 50,000 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews. Plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.